Launched in October 2010, AMI4EUROPE is a project co-financed by the European Commission through the Regions of Knowledge sub-programme within the European Union's 7th Framework Programme for Research and Development. The consortium comprises 22 organisations from Bosnia Herzegovina, Germany, Hungary, Italy, Romania and Spain. It's led and coordinated by Madrid Network. AMI stands for Advanced Medical Imaging. As the name suggests, the aim of the project is to promote cooperation in the field of medical imaging, such as X-rays, ultrasound, MRI and nuclear medicine. Among the participating organisations are universities, major hospitals and private companies. During AMI4EUROPE's first 3 years, all were able to share knowledge and experiences in regional workshops and at 3 major conferences in Madrid, Hannover and Debrecen.
We have a lot of knowledge accumulated in Europe, and the problem is that we are not using that knowledge. And AMI4EUROPE has achieved that goal to integrate knowledge and to generate a new framework where things can be done more efficiently to translate current medical and scientific knowledge into innovation and medical practice.
So, AMI4EUROPE will be crucial in helping to reduce the gap between the EU and the other 2 big players in health science technology.
The United States and Asia are working hard to monetize their accumulated knowledge, and AMI4EUROPE, I think, is the perfect framework to accelerate what is going on in Europe and be more efficient competing with the United States and Asia.
AMI4EUROPE has defined medical imaging as the production of any kind of visual representation of the human anatomy, histology, physiology, pathophysiology or pathology at either macroscopic or microscopic level, by any acquisition and processing technique for research, clinical purposes, diagnosis, therapeutic guidance, post-treatment monitoring or teaching and training. Advanced medical imaging is a new digital generation of this concept. The objective of AMI4EUROPE is to define and develop the concept of next-generation medical imaging, integrating disciplines such as nanomedicine, pharmacological breakthrough, biotechnologies for healthcare and ICT. Digitization facilitates the sharing and processing of medical imaging among different institutions to advance knowledge. AMI4EUROPE has also led to the creation of 2 new biomedical clusters in Bosnia Herzegovina and Romania, advised by more experienced clusters in other countries. Another of AMI4EUROPE's achievements has been to establish a joint action plan and a business plan for public administrations, private companies and academic institutions, so they can continue to cooperate to become ever more competitive in the field of advanced medical imaging.
A business plan has been defined with all the partners and stakeholders participating in the project, and this will guarantee the continuation of the collaboration between all of them in the medium and long term. We should be aware that this is a complex project that has coordinated 22 partners in 6 different regions in Europe, and today we can say that we have established a solid relationship between all of them, not only with the objectives of the project itself, but with the future actions that have been agreed between all of them.
3 years of collaboration has certainly left its mark on the participants.
It has been a phenomenal experience, both personally and scientifically. We have met wonderful scientists and collaborators, people from business and from industry, and really I think that this AMI4EUROPE project is a game-changer project.
Although the first 3 years of AMI4EUROPE ends in October 2013, the project is far from over.
We already established an advisory council for AMI4EUROPE, where some of the partners will work together for the future as well, and to fulfill the joint action plan. And we will start new research projects out of this advisory council and keep in touch furthermore.
AMI4EUROPE is an example of how collaboration and common goal setting is helping Europe to become more competitive for the benefit of all its citizens.